When your work is ready, remove the pins, untie the chain, cut the warp ends 5-6 inches from the top, remove cardboard and the stick. You can tie warp ends in 3 or 4, putting the end of the fork in the middle of the knot to tie it closer to the edge. Cut the ends shorter, leaving ½ inch. If you beat down the weft tight enough, there is no need to darn all ends, just cut them for ½ inch. You can darn the ends of warp yarn, as it is not that fluffy and can slide out. So your project will look better, iron it through the wet drop cloth with a hot iron, both sides. I fold the sides to the back and stitch them with backstitch using matching thread and fine needle.